recording.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Logan County in central Oklahoma, Green County in central Oklahoma, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Coyle, or 14 miles southwest of Stillwater, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
It's for everything.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Kearney around 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Ingalls, Nadina, Parkland, and Seward. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.